Hi, this is Steve with Axiom, and this is a tutorial on how to set up a WordPress blog. Now, a lot of people ask me that are looking to set up a company blog, what's the best software to use? I just want a blog. I don't want all this bloat and, all this complicated stuff. I just want to add a new post, add some images, and that's it. In my personal opinion, for ease of use, flexibility, and stability, I would go with WordPress. I've used a lot of these content management systems on different hosting companies, and in my personal opinion, Bluehost is one of the best for multiple reasons. You can primarily assign different folder permissions with the htaccess, and that's important if you're running multiple installations. There are some problems that I've run into on other hosting companies. I'm not going to badmouth those companies, but I'm telling you personally, I prefer Bluehost. Bluehost also has cPanel, which is really easy to administrate the actual hosting space of your website. Now, once you've logged in, you'll see a control panel similar to this. This is the standard cPanel layout. And you'll scroll down towards the bottom, and you're going to see software/services. Okay, this is right here. Simple Scripts is really useful because it allows you to automatically install these CMS websites without having to do what's called a manual install. That's go in, create the database, and then actually enter in that information into a configuration file. And have to do basically the entire process manually. It just kind of takes care of all of it for you. So you're going to click on that once you're logged into the Bluehost control panel, and that'll take you to the screen where it actually shows you a bunch of open source utilities that you can use, web applications that you can use to install automatically. Now we're going to install WordPress. So we're going to click on that, and down here you'll actually see the install button. Click on that, and that'll take you to this screen. Now, step one, which version do you want to install? Always, in my opinion, install the most stable versions, just for security reasons. Now make sure that whatever you name the folder that you're going to put this installation in, that it doesn't already exist. So if you already have a folder name blog, it may overwrite it. You may run into some problems. So just make sure that you do not have another folder named that on your server. If you do not put a name, then it's going to put it in your default, the public HTML. If you have another website there, it may overwrite it if you have another file name index or a correlating file. So now that assuming that you're just going to call it blog, that's the folder that you're going to put it in. Down here, you've read the terms and conditions. Step 3, press complete. And that'll go to this screen, and it'll be waiting. And there you go. This will actually give you the site URL of where the WordPress installation exists. You can click on that. And as you can see, that is now installed on the server. You have a WordPress installation. This will also give you the admin area. Now, remember to write down your username and password right here. That's where I've always run into people, with problems not writing that down or forgetting it. I have to go in and actually reset the password or redo the entire installation. So just make sure that you write that down.